Words of Advent, Day 3. A son is given. Some words we can never forget. I will always remember the times my dad has said to me, "I love you, son." So much personal power goes with these words, and it says so much to me beyond the simple words of such a blessing given. The word son has so many personal connotations, connections in our day, that we can miss the significance of the prophet Isaiah saying, "Unto us a child is born, unto us a son is given." The importance of passing on a family lineage continues to be important to us, but can be missed in the context of the scriptural story. For their own legacy, yes, but also in a unique way. They believed their story was tracing the coming Messiah. From Genesis, where it speaks of a bruising of a heel, to Psalms 2, it talks about the Son ruling and reigning in righteousness. All speaking of a Messiah. To the moment when Isaiah says a son is given. Son, not just the physical descendant, but a sense of royalty and heir who will rule. We know this because after it says a son is given, it says, "And the government will be on his shoulders." But the centuries it takes to get to this point in time, like the Ents, would teach us, don't be hasty. God has a patience that we can't even fathom, as he allows his plan to unfold over centuries. It takes years after Isaiah says these words for Jesus to appear and be called the beloved Son, echoing the prophet. God's ways are mysterious, and this season brings this out for each of us. Resist the tendency to rationalize and ponder deeply the incredible Son who is given.